the girl who beat all the boys. Anna Carrasco. If I'm butchering that, I'm sorry. If you don't know who she is, she's correct me if I'm wrong, the first woman to win a world championship, lead points in world championship, and also, I think she has the most wins. I could be wrong about that. But for the last 3 seasons, she's been running Super Sport 300. There it is. WSSP 300, something like that. Yeah, World Super Sport. And as of now, confirmed, whatever, a couple days ago, she's going to be running Moto3, which isn't really new for her because apparently, I didn't know this, but she already has World Championship experience competing in Moto3 from 2013 to 2015, which she then moved to Super Sport in 2017, or Super Sport 300, where she became the World Championship in 2018 on a Kawasaki. And obviously, if you watch my other video, I'll put the little tag or clip or whatever you want to call it up in the corner there, or link in the description below. There's a whole thing too about, her coming back from massive back surgery or, broken back injury and surgery and coming back and still winning races. Like, this is really cool for one as a racing fan to see, people move up, they win a championship, they move up to the bigger class, they have a better opportunity, more people seeing them. Also for, the idea of like, this isn't, a girl moving into a different girl sport. This is a girl moving into, a fully, well, it's not girl sport. I don't want to put this, this is a girl going and competing against guys who more than likely are, they are the future of MotoGP. You go from Moto3 to Moto2 to MotoGP. Not everyone, obviously, because there's not enough seats and all that kind of stuff. But this is showing that you don't have to run a women's series. Like, if you have the skill and you have the speed, you can run whatever series you want. And if you can compete and beat the boys, like, go right ahead and do it. I mean, this is really cool. For the sport, it's good because, hey, here's, the first women world championship ever coming back into MotoGP or Moto3, the big boy money racing side of things. Like, yes, World Superbike is, factory and has a bunch of money and stuff, but it doesn't have the same, I'm going to say, prestige, even though I like World Superbike better. Obviously, MotoGP and all that stuff has the prestige and the money and more backing, and it's just a bigger stage. But this is really cool. I'm excited to see what she does this year. Obviously getting on a new bike and a new team and a new series, it's going to be, I don't want to say a learning curve, but it is going to be pretty different going from what she was running for the last 3 or 4 years to, onto something that is a completely different bike. I don't know. She signed with BOESKX, a Spanish team, and so I don't know. I think they Moto3 all run the same bike, but it's going to be different, Obviously there's different rules, there's different regulations, there's different tracks, there's different, I'm assuming some tracks are going to be the same between the two, but I'm excited to see what this happens. I'm excited to see what she does. Something fun to watch and track, it's not just it's a little storyline in the background, and I don't know, tell me what you think. Do you think she's going to do well? Do you think she's going to, be mid-pack? Do you think it's going to be a hard year learning a new bike and a new series? Whatever you want to do, comment down below. Tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.